Train and process. You now have everything that you need to be successful. Train. Simply go through each document. This is optional. Your EPS system is now complete. Your website does everything for you automatically. It will ship orders, and all you do is collect cash. If you desire, you could read the documents attached. It will teach you how to set up your website and market. Process. To process orders, your system automatically processes orders for 1 and level 2. However, level 3 is different. If someone purchases for $100, you must duplicate, refresh, and transfer. We'll show you how. First, go to Wix.com. Next, sign in. Click on the website that you are looking to duplicate. For example, this one here. Click on Quick Actions and then duplicate. You will want to rename the website the name of your customer who has purchased. For example, Jane Doe. After you have duplicated your website, now it is time to refresh. To do so, select Edit. It will pull up in a few moments. I hope your system moves a lot faster than mine. Sorry for any inconveniences. Now it is time to refresh. To refresh, what you'll want to do is replace all of your information with your customer's information. So for example, let's scroll down. And what you'll want to replace here is, see where the PayPal buttons are? You'll want to replace your payment information for their payment information. So this is information that you'll have to collect from your customer. To refresh the information and place their information, simply click on the PayPal button, Add PayPal Information. Everything stays the same but the PayPal email to whom the money is getting sent to. You will want to collect your customer's PayPal email. Be sure to advise them that the payments will get sent directly to their account. Once you have done that, go ahead and publish the website. Be sure to copy the URL address. You will need that later. Now that the website has been published, you'll go back to the dashboard, go back to Site Actions, and now it is time to transfer the site. You are transferring the site to its new owner. All you'll do is send it to the owner's email address. So, for example, janedoe@gmail.com. Click Next. Remain as a contributor of the site if you would like. That is optional. This gives you control of your customer's site and allows you options to close it down if necessary, or just have any type of control. But the site is now Jane Doe's. So you would transfer the site to Jane Doe just by clicking transfer ownership. For sake of example, I'm not going to go ahead and transfer it, but you will transfer it just as such. Also, the email URL address that I collected, you'll go ahead and just email that to them as well. That way they'll have their URL address. But once you transfer the website, it should pop up in their email address, and it will be already and set and ready to go for them. It will do the same thing that it has done for you, provided you the opportunity to make money on all 3 levels. Again, your system automatically ships out the order for level 1 and 2. However, level 3, you must follow the steps that you were just given. You duplicate, refresh, and transfer. And it's just that simple, and you get $100 each time. Thanks for watching our video.